Hi everyone, today I am going to show you some simple Excel tricks that can save you hours of work and make you work faster, smarter and like a true office pro. So let's begin with our today's tutorial. In this example, I have some data that have a mix of conditional formatting and simple formatting. And what I want to do is to restore it back to its original clean version. So let me show you how to do this instantly. First, place your cursor on any text-filled entry and press Ctrl A from the keyboard, and then from the keyboard press the keys in sequence Alt A E F. As soon as you hit the buttons from the keyboard, the data will be restored to its clean version. So if you found this trick useful, then don't forget to hit like to the video. Now let's move towards our second example. In this example, I want to copy this information from here to another place. And this is the classic problem that whenever we try to copy our columns from one place to another, not only the width but also the formatting gets affected. So let me show you the right way to copy the information accurately from one place to another. So first place your cursor on any text field entry and from the keyboard press Ctrl A, then press Ctrl C. Now our first task is to copy the column width to the place where we want to see the text. So here I want to paste it, let's say. Then from the keyboard press Ctrl Alt V, and in this dialog box of Paste Special, select the option Column Width and then press OK. First, it will paste the widths of your original information. Then again press Ctrl Alt V. Now our next task is to retain the formatting of this table. Okay. For that purpose, I will use the option All using Source Theme and then press OK. And here you can see that this information has been accurately copied to that place. Now let's move towards our third example. In this example, let's say I want to move this total salary column between department and base salary column. But the problem here is this column basically contains the formula. So if I try to copy it here, the formula references will get affected. Let me show you the problem. Let's say we want to paste it here. So if I try to copy it here, the references of formula will get affected. So let me show you the right way to do this. Now what you are supposed to do is to select your column and press Ctrl A from the keyboard. In find what type equal to and in replace with type C, okay, or any small character, and then click on replace all. So it will convert all the equal signs into small c. Then copy this information from here and paste it here, okay, like we do simple copy paste. Then let's remove it from here and again select this column, and now we are going to do the reverse. We will replace this small c with equal to sign. So again press Ctrl H from the keyboard and here reverse the scenario in find what type C and replace with type equal to, and then again click on replace all. Here you can see that we have successfully shifted our column from the end of the table to the beginning by using Ctrl H, and now here you can see the references of this column have been the same as they were existing previously. So this trick will help you a lot in reorganizing your data in daily tasks. Now let's move towards another trick. This is very interesting example. In this example, let's say we already have some text written in our sales column, and I want to apply formula here, but at the same time I do not want to rewrite the already contained information. So how can we do this? Let me show you the way. First, select the column where you want to apply the formula and then press Ctrl G from the keyboard. Then go to Special and select blanks from here and press OK. Now it will highlight all the empty cells. Now without clicking anywhere, go straight to your keyboard and start typing the formula. Let's say we want to multiply units with price. So type equal to and then click on the first entry of units, then add multiplication sign which is asterisk basically, and then click on the price. And when you are done with typing the formula, press Ctrl enter from the keyboard, and this will bring the results in all the empty cells. So this is the smartest way to do working in the cells where you do not want to override the pre-existing information. So I hope you enjoyed all the tricks that I showed in today's video. If you want to learn more tips and tricks like these, then don't forget to hit subscribe to my channel. This is all for today. Thank you for your time. Stay happy, stay blessed.